pretty cool, huh? Right. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here at Bricks and Clicks with Rilee, Ella.
Hi.
Hi.
So we're back gonna do some fun videos. They wanted to do something. I don't know what's going on right now, but they said they wanted to do a POP Pets. These right here.
And a boy one.
Yeah, a race to see who can open it and who would get the most little figures out of it, because it is random how many figures you get inside. You could have some empty ones or what. And then the winner, we decided, will get this Smushy Mushy, and the loser,
With the world's
smallest collectible item.
I'm pretty sure I'll lose.
You never know, right? Now with that attitude, you ain't gonna win. All right, so
But
we're gonna get ready. Yeah. So and they can ask for help.
Three.
3 times.
3 once.
Let's do
2. Right in the middle.
Yeah, two.
2 times. There it is. Are you ready?
Wait, we need to tell them.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So make sure to hit that subscribe button down in the corner.
Can I say this stuff?
Yeah, you say it because you know
Okay.
it.
Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
And share us.
Yeah.
That's
Share
important.
us with the world.
All right, ready.
Oh, wait. And this is
Come
my
on.
loot box. Okay.
They're ready.
Let's go.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Time's ticking. Time is ticking. Rilee's struggling. Oh, Ella dropped one. Ella dropped it.
Nothing.
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 See what happens on these pop teams. Oh man.
Nothing.
Ha. It's a lot of work for something so small that they have going on right now.
I got something!
And she has one. She has one. 1 to nothing.
I got something.
1 to 1. You got Rilee has this little guy. Ella has this little guy.
Oh, goodness.
This is a pretty big race.
I got something!
Better hustle.
I got something!
All right, Rilee. Another little guy. Little kitty cat. That's a cute little thing.
I can't do this. Oh,
I got something!
This stuff is so nasty. Hey, look at this.
I lost one. I don't know where it is.
All right, Rilee got this little pig. Little pig.
I finished!
All right, we have a finish. And then we're seeing if Ella.
I'm losing stuff, so I don't know what to do.
I'll help you.
Ella lost one on the floor.
I got it.
Okay.
So it's 3 to 1 right now.
I can't open that one.
Ella's struggling.
Oh my gosh!
Ella's struggling with life right now.
Where'd it go?
You know, and they had an opportunity to ask for help, and they never did. They had 3 chances.
No, 2.
To ask, 2 chances to ask for help, and they did not. They did not.
It launched over here somewhere.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Ella needs help.
This is taking too long.
We lost one and it had a person in it. I saw it.
Well, that's just too bad. Too bad. Went off the table. That is their issue. All right, time's ticking. You're taking too long. You gotta pop them.
Well, this one won't open.
Look. Boom.
Goodness.
Okay, I got one.
Got the little wallet.
This one's empty.
Little kitties. Little kitties.
These pops do not really pop that easy.
I know. Oh my god.
Here, let me do this one. Nothing. Got nothing.
Oh, if I got one.
If she gets one more, we're tied.
She gets one more, she wins.
I do. But I don't know how to get it
Little
out.
dragon. in
Wait,
this one.
if we found that one, because I swear
I think
it had one in it, and so she probably, I think she won.
Let me see.
Definitely won.
I can't go out.
Let's see.
There's something in there. It's okay.
So the tortoise beats the hare.
Yeah, but I lost one.
Yeah, she actually won
So,
by actually
I don't
5.
even know what this is. So we
It's a
have
little dog.
this little dog.
Yeah, she beat
The
me.
cat. Like a dragon. Pretty cool. And some type of alien. So.
And there was actually another one, but it flinged across the whole entire room.
Who knows? Could have went
And
anywhere.
it was something. And it was something
Yeah, there
in
was
there.
definitely one in there.
So
I could
does
tell.
that mean
I
I
didn't see
win?
it. They didn't see it. It doesn't exist.
So does that mean I win since
I
what?
think I found it. Is it this thing?
That was last time, wasn't it?
I think that was last time, maybe.
Yeah, that was last
So it doesn't matter. Ella got 4. And I don't know. I thought the bet was who got it done first. Or
And
and
But
you opened it
I had one.
extra.
Yeah,
All right, so we're saying Ella won.
Yeah.
So
But I'm
Ella
actually-
wins the mushy
I kind
mush. Mushy
the
mush
mush,
is it
mushy
called?
mush.
So you get to
I don't
open
know.
this.
And I'm actually I kind of want to know what
Maybe
this is.
Riley lost on purpose so she could
No, I
get
didn't lose on purpose.
this
No,
world's
it was
smallest thing.
because I saw it fling, and Riley said there was something in there. So I would say I wouldn't have won,
You did win.
and I did.
These are the world's smallest.
Ew, this looks gross. I just mixed the purple and
Oh, it's the world's
Pink.
smallest.
Okay, you could have got a Care Bear.
Oh my
You
gosh, it's
missed
so
out.
small.
no,
Now
I
you
don't
get
like Care Bears.
mushy mush.
Oh.
Mushy mush.
Oh wait, so this
It's a cat or
Kitty
something.
kit.
Pop it open, let's see.
look at all this stuff.
Oh,
It looks so
it was her
cool.
bottle.
Look, you can get Barbies,
It was her bottle.
It's a keychain.
Oh,
keychains, a magic 8 ball.
It smells amazing.
Lincoln log stretches.
So she got this person,
You can
Oh, and
get
there's one more in here.
you
as
can get
can see,
Rubik's
there's an
cubes.
eye.
that,
A sketch.
Etch-a-Sketch.
Little tiny arcades, tiny
Whoa.
Barbies, tiny
Cute.
keychains, tiny things.
Let's see her name. What's her name gonna be?
Oh, that's cute.
So her name,
Oh, I got this
or
sad bear.
his,
I'm sad.
is Tilly Tiger and Petunia Puff. So, that's what she got there.
Look how soft this is.
And there's her little snack or something.
She
So-
eats a thing with a face.
Dad,
It smells
this is-
super good.
These are too tiny for me.
Look,
They
look,
go
look at
inside
this.
so you can, they're like a keychain then.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Feel how soft this is.
Yeah, pretty nice.
They're actually really cute.
So, there you guys have it. That's what we got for you on this video. We'll get to the next one because we have a ton of stuff to go through. You guys got anything?
Thank you for watching.
There it is.
Oh, and it's winter, but this day is like summer.
It's good to know.
Okay.
I'm glad you guys can know
Daily
that.
weather.
So that's what we have for you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and share us. And we do appreciate it. They have a lot of fun doing it. And we'll be back.